Welcome back to our channel. Today the TVS Jupiter 160. The latest significant update to the Jupiter line was the introduction of the second generation TVS Jupiter 110 in 2024. This model features a redesigned exterior, a new chassis, and an updated 113.3cc engine producing 7.9 bhp and 9.8 Nm of torque, enhanced with the Ego Assist feature. Notable additions include LED lighting, a digital console, and SmartX Connect technology for Bluetooth navigation and notifications. Practical elements such as a front-mounted fuel cap, a USB charging port, and expanded 30-liter under-seat storage have also been incorporated. The updated chassis, adapted from the TVS Jupiter 125, supports 12-inch wheels and a floorboard-mounted fuel tank, enhancing stability and ride quality. TVS Motor Company, headquartered in Chennai, India, is the third largest motorcycle company in the country by revenue. The company has an annual sales volume of 3 million units and a production capacity exceeding 4 million vehicles. TVS is also the second largest two-wheeler exporter in India, with a presence in over 60 countries. The Jupiter series, launched in 2013, has been a cornerstone of TVS's scooter lineup, known for its reliability and user-friendly features. The 2024 TVS Jupiter 110 continues this legacy by offering a blend of performance, comfort, and modern technology. The 113.3cc engine, equipped with Ego Assist, ensures smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. Riders benefit from the SmartX Connect system, which provides turn-by-turn navigation and call, SMS alerts directly on the digital console, enhancing convenience and safety. The LED lighting system not only adds a contemporary aesthetic but also improves visibility during night rides. Practicality remains a key focus in the 2024 Jupiter 110. The front-mounted fuel cap allows for easy refueling without the need to lift the seat, and the spacious 30-liter under-seat storage can accommodate a helmet and other essentials. The inclusion of a USB charging port ensures that riders can keep their devices powered on the go. The redesigned chassis, borrowed from the Jupiter 125, offers improved stability, and the 12-inch wheels contribute to a balanced and comfortable ride. While there is no official information regarding a TVS Jupiter 160 model, TVS Motor Company has a history of expanding its product lineup to meet diverse consumer needs. For instance, the company introduced the TVS Jupiter 125 in 2021 to cater to riders seeking a scooter with a larger engine and enhanced performance. This model features a 124.8cc engine, offering a balance between power and fuel efficiency, and includes modern amenities such as LED headlamps, a digital analog instrument cluster, and ample storage space. Given TVS's commitment to innovation and responding to market trends, it's plausible that the company may consider developing a higher displacement scooter in the future. Such a model could appeal to riders looking for more power and advanced features, potentially positioning it as a competitor in the premium scooter segment. However, until an official announcement is made, any information regarding a TVS Jupiter 160 remains speculative. In conclusion, as of now, the TVS Jupiter series continues to be a strong contender in the scooter market, with the 2024 Jupiter 110 exemplifying the brand's dedication to quality, innovation, and rider satisfaction. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on new models and releases, it's advisable to consult official TVS Motor Company communications or authorized dealers.